All right, Michael. This is getting ridiculous. You need to man up and get some headlights.
What? I don't need new headlights. They work fine. Plus, we're doing that big build this winter, and we're gonna make her go real fast. So there's not a chance I'm spending a dime on this car unless it goes faster. There's no chance not that.
We are literally holding flashlights because your headlights don't work. This is not normal. People do not do this.
People do this all the time. This is totally normal. It's a totally normal thing to do. There's no way I'm buying headlights. I'm not doing it. This works fine. Let's go to dinner. Hey, I'm Mike, and welcome back to the Hangar Hideout. Now, in this episode, we're going to learn a couple of things. First of which is, not everything you do to your car is going to be go fast and vroom vrooms. Sometimes you just got to do what needs to be done. And in this case, these lights suck. They need to be brighter. Which brings me to my second thing. No matter how hard it hurts you on the inside, it just kills your ego. If your wife asks you to do something, guess what you're doing, buddy? Yeah, you're doing that thing. Otherwise, you're sleeping outside. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna put in these here LED lights. Why? Because they're badass, they're bright. And I bet my beautiful, loving wife, the most gorgeous person in the world, will really appreciate it.
Is she still right behind me?
Now you're probably asking yourself, Mike, why would I go with an LED bulb rather than like a basic bulb or HIDs? Well, HIDs, ballasts go back. That sucks. That's expensive, and they're expensive to buy. Screw that. LEDs, these are bright. They're badass. They're cheap. They're bright. And these bulbs suck. Don't just get an LED. Idiot.
What?
Yeah, I know it's just lights, but being able to see is important too. We gotta drive at night. Don't worry. You're gonna be going fast in no time. This winter, we're gonna pull the motor. You'll be doing nines down that drag strip. It's gonna come. Just don't you worry. How long have you been there? Well, now we get to do the fun part. We get to work on a car for a little bit. All you gotta do is pop the hood, flip these here flip-up headlights up. Can I, just a quick tangent. Flip-up headlights are seriously the coolest thing in the world. I don't think I'll ever own a car without flip-up headlights. Why did they stop making them? They're so cool. Anyways, you flip your headlights up, take this plastic piece off. It's like 3 screws. Also, if you want, a little tip from Mike here. If you turn your light switch ever so slightly and then back down right after they pop up, boom, they're up and off. You're welcome. Thank me later. When in doubt, go for the chode screwdriver. So now that those plastic pieces are off, just go ahead and reach your grimy little paws back there. Go ahead and turn the light out. We're doing the low beams. Low beams are on the outside. Again, you're welcome. Now we just do the old rinse and repeat. Okay, before put those plastic pieces back on, why don't we test it out? Don't follow me, you'll sit right there. Ooh, doggy. Who needs HIDs? These are cheap. Regular bulbs suck. Basically useless on the Corvette. All right, well they look great, but now we need to plug in these here resistors because they don't want to go down without them. Time to plug it in. Well, we're done. Look at, they flip up and flip down now. Look at how nice and bright they are. My wife is going to be so happy. Well, that's another day in the books where this vet isn't going any faster. Don't worry, girl. This winter, we'll do you right. You'll be going fast in no time. But I got brighter lights, which means I could see. There's a less chance I'll get in an accident at night. That's pretty cool beans. My wife will definitely be happy. Happy wife, happy life, you know, that whole thing. So she'll take drives with me. But if you like what you saw today, don't forget, give me a like and a subscribe. This time we'll actually put those buttons in there. Not gonna forget. Anywho, I want to thank you guys for hiding out. If your wife over a basic ass bulb or bolt, it's a bulb. Not a bolt. Oops. Yeah, Daddy.